Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker unboxing episode, guys. We have a couple sneakers over here and also this bag from Collect and Select. Really excited to see what's in here. But before we get into the unboxing, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's episode, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is the premier minimalistic jewelry company that I personally love, guys. I've been rocking their pieces for a very long time, and actually one of my favorite pieces over here, this wing necklace, this black wing necklace, you guys can check it out over here. This thing I got really early, and I still love it as like one of my most favorite pieces from Rose Gold and Black. But there's so many pieces on the website, and I know you guys will find something that's just right for you. They got bracelets, they got necklaces, they got rings, they got a whole bunch of different jewelry on there, and the prices are very affordable, which I really appreciate about RG&B. So I highly encourage you guys to check out Rose Gold and Black today. If you guys click on that link in the description below, it will take you to Rose Gold and Black, where you will get 25% off your order, and if you guys use the code UNTIED at checkout, you guys will get an additional 10% off as well. So make sure you guys check that out today. Anyway, I think it's time to get into the unboxing now, guys. This is going to be the first thing that we're opening up over here, and this is from Collect and Select. And what we have over here is actually a pair of shorts from Collect and Select, and these things are freaking fire, as you guys can see. What's really sick about this too is you can actually take out the drawstring, and they have like a different drawstring on here which has like golden lace tips. It's very reminiscent of those Air Yeezy 2 laces, so that's kind of cool. Obviously these shorts are modeled after the Lakers, as you guys can see. It's got that purple on the side, also that gold and black running throughout it. And if you guys are Lakers fans, these are definitely a must cop. So yeah, this company is blowing up, guys. And what's crazy is like Collect and Select, this stuff actually has like resale value now, like because they have such a limited run, they're actually selling on eBay for quite a bit of money, like on the aftermarket. So that's why these things go so fast on the drops. For sure going to be wearing these in upcoming videos. So now we can get into some of the sneakers, guys. This is going to be the first one, and it is from Goat App because I had to pay resale for this one because I was not lucky enough to cop it on Sneakers App. I've been seeing so many comments and stuff of people asking my opinion on these too, so I've been waiting for this for a while. Obviously, my favorite box, the Jordan 1 box, and for the shoe that we have, this one over here is the Jordan 1 Biohacks, and man, quality on this is very interesting, and the colors, this is pretty cool. I actually like this. I actually like this a lot. A lot of people are very mixed on these because they are very like flamboyant, right? They're very outgoing and stuff over here. But I do think that the quality of this shoe is pretty good. And overall, I think this is definitely going to be a hit down the road for like resale and stuff, obviously. So I think this is a good one to cop now because they are relatively low in resale pricing. If you guys do want to check it out up close, this is what the shoe looks like. The Jordan 1 Biohack. Very interesting shoe. It does have a whole bunch of different colors. Also, I really like the tongue on this shoe. It does have like an off-white vibe on it. It has that stitched in Nike Air over here. But I do think that these things are going to keep going up over time, so I highly recommend, if you guys don't have a pair now, you guys invest in some of these because they will pop off in value, man. Like, this is super sick. I keep looking at it in the camera and I'm like, this is really dope. A very unique Jordan 1. A very unique Jordan 1. So for this last box, there's actually 2 sneakers in here. There should be 2 sneakers in here, hopefully. And this is one that you probably have not seen on YouTube just yet. Like, I don't think that too many people are talking about these, but I do think that they're very hyped. So Converse boxes are definitely a rarity on this channel, but we got 2 of them over here today. Ooh, this is cool. It has like a custom Moncler bag over here. I think that's kind of sick. You guys can see that branding over here. Very nice. The bag itself is probably worth like a good amount of money. But what we have over here for the shoes is a pair of Chuck Taylors, guys, and it is in collaboration with not only Moncler but also with Fragment. So as you guys can see on this shoe, it looks very similar to that Jordan 3 Fragment that just dropped. Has that Fragment logo on the back, and also you guys can see it does have that Moncler logo as well. Also over here on the bottom, you guys can see Chuck Taylor with the Fragment logo on both sides, so that's pretty cool. And it has like this little branding over here on the back heel, just like the Jordan 3 Fragment. This is a very plain shoe, obviously, but I mean, that's what you want with Converse, right? Like, you're not looking for something like overly hyped in Converse. You're either rocking this white pair or you're rocking the black pair, which we also picked up as well. This is probably okay. This one is really nice. I like this one a lot better than the white pair. Exactly the same design, but the upper is black on this one. Still has that branding on the back heel over here, branding on the outsole over here, and also the custom insole. So very nice shoe. It is a Chuck Taylor. You know exactly what you're getting with this. And Chuck Taylors have like a personal place in my heart, guys, because for the people that are new here or don't really like know my past, like I only got into shoes like 4 years ago. So that's very recent. But back in high school, which was kind of a while ago now, I'm getting older. It was kind of a while back, but in high school, I used to only wear Chuck Taylors all the time. Like, me and my friends, we would wear Chuck Taylors for everything, dude. I even wore Chuck Taylors to the freaking prom. Yeah, I was that guy. I wore Chuck Taylors to the prom. I think twice for both proms, senior and junior prom. So So yeah, that's how much I love these shoes. So these definitely have a sentimental place in my heart, man. I really love these, and I used to wear these all the time. They're not the most comfortable shoes, obviously, but they're a classic sneaker, and they don't change, you know, like, you know exactly what you're getting with this. And as much as I love my like high top Jordans and stuff, for like lows, these are probably one of my most favorite shoes for like a low model of any shoe. So I really like this. I'm gonna be wearing this one a lot, because this is an exclusive collab, man. Like Moncler, obviously a high fashion brand, Fragment, another high fashion brand, and they're relatively inexpensive for like the retail pricing. It was actually only like $135 or something, so that's not too crazy at all for a Moncler collab. And I think that the resale is somewhat decent. It's going for like 160 or 170 or something. It probably will go up over time, but I wouldn't try to like invest in these kinds of sneakers, because Converse is obviously not super hype, and for the people that actually wear Converse and stuff, they're not really like looking for like high like collab brands and stuff, you know, like they're not trying to be flashy and stuff. So I don't think that many people have like a demand for this per se, but I mean, if you guys like them for the personal, I think it's a great cop. They do look really good, and I mean, Fragment is like one of my favorite brands of all time, so definitely it was a must cop for me. I really love this shoe collab, and I think it's really dope, but most of you guys probably don't think so, and that's okay, man. Difference of opinion, I don't know. I love my Converse. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. A couple cool sneaker pickups in here, and also those dope shorts from Collect and Select, guys. Also, don't forget to check out the sponsor of today's video again, Rose Gold and Black. Go to the link in the description below, use that link, and it will get you 25% off your order, and when you guys use the code UNTIED, you get an additional 10% off. Highly recommend it, guys. RGB, I love their jewelry, and I also highly recommend you guys hit that like button down below. It does go a long way in helping the channel grow and helping me grow, so I really appreciate all of you guys that just hit that like button. But until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!